Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to configure the WordPress setting through our admin panel. So open up your browser and navigate to our website login page and log in with the admin detail. Okay, so this is the admin index of our website. Now you will see that there are so many categories on the left hand side of the panel, and there is a setting and there are some child setting under the setting tab. All you need to do is click general. Okay, now the site title and tagline. Let me first show you the site title and tagline by visiting our website. Okay, so you can see that there is a this is the title of our website and this is the tagline. So it means that to represent our website in one word and in a line, all you need to do is give a unique site title as well as a tagline. Okay, now WordPress URL and site URL. WordPress URL is the URL which you want to visitor access to your site, and the site URL is where you want to host your files of your website. I would not recommend you to play with this these settings, so let them as it is. Okay, now email address. You can use your email address for the notification and for the details of your website. You can also change it to the our website domain. I will do it later on, so for now I am just leaving it the default one. Membership. If you want the visitor can register your site, or you want to allow registration on your website, you can tick this and subscribe the role of the new visitor. But like you can assign the role as a subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or administrator. But I don't want anyone to register on this website, so I'm going to untick this. The time zone, select your country time zone. Mine is Kolkata. The date format and the time format, and the week start on Monday. Okay, just click save changes. Okay, let's go to some writing. Okay, now if you want to convert your emotions, like creating this and it will automatically convert to a smiling face, tick this, or if you don't want to, untick this. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now the second line here, WordPress should correct invalid nested as XHTML automatically. It means that if you are posting your content through the core HTML tags, and if you forget to close tag or to open the tags, WordPress will automatically correct that error. So we are going to use the editor. So it's all up to you if you want to use the core one or if you want to post the content through the editor. Okay, the default post category, it's categorized. The default post format should be standard. Okay, now if you want to post via email, you can put your information here and select the category as well. Now the ping service, for now I am just leaving the ping service cause we will use this ping service when we install some plugins. So for now I am just going to leave this and save the changes. Okay, let's go to rating. And now the front page is okay. This is the front page of our website, and the front page is showing the last post of our website. So if you want your front page to display the latest or the last post, you can use this one, or if you want to assign some new page, you can tick this one and select the page. Right now there is one page, the sample page, but if you create some pages like about us or contact us, you can assign that page. I'm going with the latest post. Now the blog post and the syndication, you can put the number according to your need. 10 is fine, and full summary. Okay, there's nothing to change. Save changes. The next thing is discussion. Okay, the default article setting. attempt to notify. You can customize these settings according to your need. Like if you want anyone who is commenting on your website, put their name and email, you can allow them or disallow them by unticking this, or automatically close comment on article older than, you can put the value of days like 15 days or more. So the thing I want to tell you is that before a comment appear on your website, make sure that you manually approved it. So make sure that you tick this one, and a comment author must have a previously approved comment. So if you approve a comment by an author and it's already approved, so it means that whenever the author will comment, it will instantly appear on your website. And comment moderation. If you want to secure your website from spam, make sure that the default is 2, but I'm going to change it to 1. It means that any comment having one or more than one link will be held for moderation, and you can also ban the email address, IP, URL, or email. So anyone commenting with the content or the name or the URL will be held for moderation. Okay, make sure that you put anything here and one per line, like email@mail.com, and if you want to blacklist name Tom and the content, anything, but make sure that you write one per line. Okay. If you want to blacklist some IP's name URL, blacklist means that if the user if you blacklist email address, say support@mail.com. Okay, now if anyone commenting on your website using this email will be blacklisted on your website, so you can assign all the IPs or all the URL, email, content, or name here in this box. Avatar. If you want to display avatar on the comment, you can tick this one or untick this one. The minimum rating is G, and the default avatar is Gravatar logo. So I'm going to choose this one and save changes. Okay, let's go to media. Alright, the media is the images or the videos you upload on the website. So the thumbnail size of any media is 150 by 150. It means that if you create a thumbnail of an image or video, it will automatically thumbnailed as 150 by 150. And the medium size is 300 by 300, and the large size is 1024 by 1024. You can change them, but the default is fine, so I'm not going to change this one. And if you want to categorize all your upload in the folder of month and year, you can tick this one. And if you don't want to organize your media in month and year folder, you can untick this. So I'm going to tick this one and save changes. It is good to organize media in month and year folder. Okay, let's go to permalinks. And permalinks are a very useful setting for WordPress. The default permalinks are the website and the post ID. Let me show you an example here. Okay, this is a post, and if I click this post, you can see that our URL is www.reviewanddeals.com/?P=1. The P denotes that the post is equals to 1. If I post another post, the URL will be P=2. But this is a nested URL. What we are going to do is we are going to change the post URL to the post name. Okay. Custom structure. Make sure that you put your term in the custom structure, which is a backslash, a %sign, post name, %sign, and a backslash. It will help you in the search engine optimization, and it will also help you in better URL structure. Okay, let me just do this and save changes and show you the effect of this permalinks. Okay, Now let's go to the home page. If I remove this thing here, and if we visit again to this hello world post, you will see now it is changed to hello world. Before it was p is equals to 1 or the post order 1. Okay, so this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.